Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I'm Miriam. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I will be reviewing the new Colourpop Mar palette. If you're interested, please keep watching. Also, don't forget to give this video some love and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I was walking around in Ulta, I think it was yesterday, and I noticed a beautiful thing staring right back at me, and I was like, who's that body? So I went over and I swatched it. I think it was this blue color I swatched. This is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. Isn't it beautiful, you guys? I'm looking for a matte blue shade forever, so immediately I swatched it. I was in love because it was so pretty. So I will try to create a nice eye look. I'll, see if there's any fallout, and I will tell you guys how I like the palette. Okay, so to begin, I need to put some powder underneath my eyes just so it would trap any of the fallout. Really messy with my eyeshadow application, so I'm gonna put the powder everywhere because I know myself, I'm messy. Okay. Oh, I think I just inhaled powder, but it's okay. It's okay. It's part of the process. Just look at how pretty the packaging is. It's plastic, but it feels really sturdy. It feels really strong. It doesn't feel flimsy at all. So if you accidentally drop this, if you're clumsy, which I am, it won't fall apart. So that's always a good thing. So the first color I am going to start with is El Rey. Look at that. Look at how much pigment is there. Do you guys see? Can't wait to put that on. Okay, I'm gonna tap some of that off. Ooh. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this color called Detour, this one, on the inner corner of my eyes, and then I'm going to put Gridlock, which is this bad boy over here. I'm going to put that on the center of my lid, and I will create like something magical and something beautiful. All right, let's start. I'm excited. Of El Rey on the outer corner of the eyes. Oh, on the outer V. I'm using really natural lashes because I really want my eyeshadow to show. I don't want the lashes covering everything. The lashes that I will be using today are the Demi Wispies. They're really natural because I want my eyeshadow to show, okay? I want y'all to see it. So mascara. I'm putting El Bray on. Okay, I'm going to town on this color. This is probably going to be my go-to color, and I'm going to run it down. So I'm going to go out and buy another one of this palette just because of this color. I've been looking for that color all my life, and I found it. Okay, this is beautiful. I mean, I'm obsessed, okay? Whew! Alright. Bottom mascara. Palette is amazing. I mean, it blends seamlessly, like it blends so well. It's really great quality for such an affordable price. It's $12, and honestly I will buy it over and over again just because, I mean, it's worth the money. It's worth the money. The colors go on really smooth, and there's also no fallout. I didn't have any fallouts despite the fact that I was really packing the colors on there. Nothing really fell on my face, so that's amazing, because even my higher end palettes have major fallout. So it's a really good bang for your buck, you guys. I mean, if you're looking at it and you're having any hesitation, you're hesitant, buy it, okay? You will not regret this purchase. It's a really nice palette. It can go, I can fit this in my pocket, so it's travel size, which is awesome. You know, you're not carrying a huge palette everywhere, so that's a plus. And the packaging is really pretty. Look at it. Look at how pretty the packaging is. It's really beautiful. And the product itself, when you open it, it's just nice. Like, it's a good buy. It's a good buy. You can't go wrong with this. You can't go wrong with this palette at all. Yeah, that's my review of the palette. It's a 10 out of 10. Yeah, a 10 out of 10. I wouldn't take that back because I had high expectations for the palette, because Colourpop makes really good quality products for an affordable price, so I didn't doubt it at all. Buy it. Buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. I will see you in my next video. Mwah.